This video is brought to you by Squarespace, the place to go for all of your website needs. Hop over to www.squarespace.com/Hugh for a free trial, and if you like what you see and want to move forward, receive 10% off your first order by using the discount code Hugh at checkout. Thanks, Squarespace. With this lens, Hasselblad's XCD 25mm f2.5V, the full-frame equivalent field of view and shallowest depth of field of a 20mm f2, Hasselblad is now back in the game. Hey everybody, I'm Hugh Brownstone for Three Blind Men and an Elephant, and today I will be exceptionally brief about Hasselblad's just announced super wide angle, 4 aspherical element equipped, 3 extra low dispersion element equipped, 1/4000th second to 68 minutes leaf shutter equipped, $3,700 592 gram XCD 25mm f2.5V. This is because I understand precisely what it is I'm seeing in the 25V. Which is this. It is a lovely piece of kit with the same industrial design, faster, quieter autofocus motors, manual focus clutch, and a customized function ring around the lens barrel as the rest of the new V lineup. Although, would it really surprise you to learn that I use it as an aperture ring? I mean, oy vey, what is anyone thinking? Why would you use it for anything else? More importantly, the 25V does the business optically, with excellent sharpness corner to corner, even wide open, with minor chromatic aberration and distortion straight out of camera, because lens design does get harder the wider the field of view goes. And in any event, manageable in post, beginning with corrections automatically applied in Hasselblad's Focus 2 iPad app. We will have to wait for a lens profile in Lightroom, although maybe by the time you see this video, it will already be available. The bottom line, and I think I'm already beginning to wrap this up, is that this 25V makes excellent use of the X2D's 102 megapixel sensor along with Hasselblad's natural color solution, which I continue to assert is the best in the business and delivers beautiful imagery. Call it the lens I've been waiting for to round out Hasselblad's next generation of Holy Trinity primes for the X2D 100C and 907X100C, now the widest lens in the XCD lineup. It is absolutely next level compared to the 28P, a worthy successor to the 21mm f4 it replaces, the 21 and 25 designed to offer maximum sharpness wide open. The 25V, however, I'm definitely wrapping this up, has the additional advantages of being A, more than a stop faster while delivering essentially identical performance wide open at 2.5 as the 21 wide open at f4, B, nominally smaller and lighter, C, significantly faster, quieter, and smoother to autofocus, D, better balanced in hand, and E, equipped with the aperture ring and manual focus clutch the 21.4 was not, both of which make a material difference to me. In fact, the 25V will now join my favorite lenses in the lineup, their 90 f2.5V and the sleeper Holy Trinity prime in the entire XCD catalog, the relatively inexpensive but punching way above its weight class 45 f4P, which I bought as well. Put it all together in a small bag, and you've got a relatively small and light digital medium format kit with a great sensor, outstanding IBIS, that color science, excellent articulating screen, which is also great in hand, and offers a full-frame field of view and shallowest depth of field equivalents of a 20 f2, 36 f3.2, and 70mm f2, which is to say, pretty much perfect fields of view for urban landscapes, especially for vertical compositions, especially at night, classic street, and street portrait, which are my jam. Although, right, no matter what lens you choose, you may prefer the 28V or the 38 or 55V. It's all good. It remains the case that A, the X2D's autofocus is not yet fast enough for much of my classic street work. B, reliable, continuous autofocus and autofocus tracking would be enormously helpful. C, I really, really wish the X2D had a great joystick designed to the same standard as the rest of the body, located so that it fell precisely under my thumb for setting autofocus points in real time. And D, the EVF proximity sensor continues to be more temperamental than I'd like. But in the larger scheme of things, no matter. As a 3-lens and body kit to bracket and complement our much faster, smaller, and lighter Q3 for urban landscape or portrait work when I have the time to set up? Oh yeah. Especially when ultimate image quality at the margin and or color straight out of camera is a sine qua non, because you can see the difference in color and you can see the difference between 102 megapixels and 60 megapixels when you print big and invite people to view them at closer than normal distances. I think I'm wrapping it up for a second time here, but like I said, it's getting to be crazy. Let's leave it here. The X2D, the entire XCD system, is now truly a fascinating and in some senses compelling alternative to what we already own, although if I'm completely honest with myself, I wish this were not so. That's because I can already see myself struggling with what to pack for our next street workshop. May, New York is sold out, but there's always October for New York, again, Paris and Berlin, and right after that, Tokyo in December. But instead of making my life lighter and simpler, Hasselblad has just made it more complicated and heavier because we also just plunked down a wad of cash on upgrading our Leica kit. And I just know I'm going to end up bringing all of it. But hey, this is beyond a first world problem to have, beyond a high quality problem to have. And you know what? The simple fact of the matter is I'm delighted that Hasselblad is back. This video is brought to you by Squarespace. From custom domains to beautiful websites using their easily customizable templates that you can have up and running in minutes, e-commerce, email and email marketing, SEO, analytics, and scheduling, Squarespace does it all and has done it for us for the last 6 years. If you are a small to mid-sized business in any industry, Squarespace is the place to go for all of your website needs. Hop over to www.squarespace.com/Hugh for a free trial. And if you like what you see and want to move forward, receive 10% off your first order by using the discount code Hugh at checkout. Thanks, Squarespace. If you like what you've seen here today, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, join the conversation in the comments section below because this is an exceptional audience. If you'd like help with a portfolio review, gear selection, finding or honing your artistic voice, sign up for a one-on-one mentoring video call via Zoom at 3bmep.com/booking. Finally, please consider supporting our work by using the no-cost-to-you affiliate links down below, sending us coffee money via PayPal, or most especially, joining us on Patreon, links down below as well. However you choose to support us, as always, we thank you for it.